I'm back for another video. I know y'all are hungry. We had 2 meals already behind us, but we doing something we are calling side dish. Let's get into it.
It's too bright in here.
Side dish. Now, if you interrupt me one more time, boy, I'm going to tell you something at your ass, all right? All right. Now, let's get into our ingredients we got. So we don't got no vegetables this time, so we ain't going to have a whole thing dedicated to vegetables. We get it, all right. But we got some cheddar cheese. Now, I like to use my own cheddar cheese, and I like to grind it up with this thing right here. It's like a grinder for the cheese. You know,
like Papa Jock.
Shut your mouth. We got a stick of butter. Because why not? You know what's just...
I like marmalade.
Shut up! We got some breadcrumbs. We got some whipping cream. I'm about to whooping cream your ass, okay? Shut up! We got some flour. We got some olive oil. And we got some noodles, all right? Now, we're going to get into the next part. We're calling it the cooking section. Let's go ahead and do it. See y'all in a minute. So, all right, we're going to put our butter on about medium heat. We're going to let it melt down. We're going to make us something I like to call mac and cheese roux.
That's like not incredibly cool. I'm just saying.
So we're going to go ahead, we're going to melt our butter down, and we're going to be back in a minute. Put the camera down. Now listen to me, boy. I don't know why you got to hurt my feelings. We just in there, we're trying to cook, we're trying to make a meal every episode. It's been our third little mini episode, and you already talking, you're running your mouth, acting like you the boss of the world.
I am the camera guy.
Your face looks like penguin poop, all right? That camera better have been off this whole... Oh, no! Mac and cheese roux. Mac and cheese roux. Mac and cheese roux. All right. So now our butter has melted down. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of flour. Now, I know I got more than 3 right here. There's a reason.
That's a measuring cup.
I get it, okay? I get it. Now, I know I got more than 3 cups. I know I got more than 3 cups here, but we only gonna add 3 cups to this, and we gonna have some for backup. Put it on the cooking camp. Stop getting on my face. All right.
Oh, that's healthy.
That's 3 cups. Now, we're gonna steadily turn it. Why you shooting it on me again? We're gonna steadily turn it until it turns into a thick roux, almost like pudding or something. Look how that's...
I thought you were making mac and cheese.
I'm making mac and cheese, okay? I'm not making pudding. I'm making mac and cheese. It's called a mac and cheese roux. Don't you remember?
I don't.
So steadily, look at that. You see it thickening up? Now, any good cook knows at this time we're going to turn our temp down a little bit. And we're going to keep on stirring. Now, if it's not the thickness you want, easy. That's why we got our backup flour right here. All right? We got backup flour in case we need to make it thicker. Now, I'm going to play around with this. I know y'all don't want to see me looking like I'm doing a cauldron or something. Oh, did you get it?
No.
I know y'all don't want to make it look like I'm stirring a pot or something. So we're going to come back when I get it right.
Has anyone told you you smell like Mickey Mouse?
Has anybody told you that you ain't nothing but a junk that likes to interrupt people's videos? I don't sound like Mickey Mouse. I sound like Terry Jenkins, okay? Now, look at that. That's looking nice. Now, I've added 3 tablespoons so far. So we're going to come back and I'm going to tell you how many I've added to get it like at the right consistency, okay? I'll be right back. All right, now we got our roux like we like it. You see how it's kind of thick, but it's a little watery too? That's what I want it, all right? So, now that we got our roux like this, which is more like a watery roux. You want it to look like caramel, almost like watery caramel. All right?
I don't like caramel.
Well, we're not making caramel. We make it just... All right, keep you around. All right. So, we're going to add 4 cups of heavy whipping cream to our, not caramel, but looks like caramel substance. All right?
You kind of spelled something.
Okay, I know. I'm having to deal with you. You got me shaking of anger, okay? I'm over here mad at you. Just... All right, are you ready to add it? Let's go. Ooh, boy, look at them bubbles. Oh, yeah. Add all of it. Add all of it, except for the drops I dripped on the counter. Ooh, that's what we want right there. That's what we want. Now that we got it back so much emotion, we're going to put it back on medium. We had it on low for a little bit just to make sure it didn't burn. But now we're going to do this, all right? So, I'm going to let this kind of sit for a little bit and wait to get to like a bubble or something. And when it does, we're going to add our cheese. All right? We're almost done. It's a quick and easy dish, all right? We'll see you in a minute. All right. So look at that. It's looking thick. It's looking nice. This is exactly where we want it before we add our cheese. Now, I shredded my cheddar cheese except for that piece. But that's okay. It's okay.
You bought that from the store, didn't you?
No, I didn't. Look, it's shredded by hand. I got that proof. It's in there. I'm not going to show you that. But I got the proof. So let me add the cheese to the dish. All right. Ooh. Now make sure you don't splash. This ain't no splash.
Oh, unprofessional.
I'm sorry. I can't do everything perfect, you know. I'm
You
over here.
told me on day 1 that you were the most perfect.
Perfection is in the eye of the beholder, and you're about to have no eyes, okay? Back to the cooking game. Let me clean this mess up. All right. Now, cheese all over the place. It made no sense. Do with this guy. Okay. So, look at that. Look at that. Are you looking?
I'm supposed to look at y'all?
No, Pop. Look at that thin cheese melting. It's supposed to be cool. It's like a revelation to your brain.
It is probably much more of it.
I know. Look at that. It looks like, cheese. This ain't Velveeta.
It looks like pudding.
It does a little bit look like pudding.
You said you weren't making pudding.
I'm not making pudding. I'm making mac and cheese.
You said you were making pudding.
Now, we're going to put this on low. Because that's pretty much ready to go, baby. I like this one. All right. So now we're going to use our pasta. We're going to put this on high. And we're going to bring this to a boil. Now, remember what we said last video. 2 tablespoons of olive oil in our water. Oh, yeah. I like it when it sounds like a bloop. That's my favorite sound. All right. So 2 tablespoons of water on high. We're going to put this on low. And if you're a little worried about it burning, take it all the way off. Just make sure it looks like this. Nice, creamy. Look at that. That's the mac and cheese you want. All right, we'll be back when this is boiling. We're almost done. See you in a minute. All right, now that on the food. Now that our noodles are boiled, that boy ready to go, baby. We're gonna dump them in our pan. Now, oh yeah. I don't think we need all the noodles. That's okay.
Wow, just throwing away.
I'm not throwing that away. We're going to use it for maybe another thing or something. All right. Now our cheese. Now this is homemade cheese right here, baby.
From the
I'm not going to call you
store.
baby no more. I'm sorry. This is why I don't understand. Right here. This is why I can live my life. And I'm just living the best life. Next thing I know.
Just stole that from Gemma Jenkins.
All right, look at that. Ooh, baby. Now,
That looks like pudding.
Your face looks like pudding. Now shut your mouth. All right, now we got some breadcrumbs, all right? Oh, I almost forgot. Half a tablespoon of pepper. We can add it to our bread. Oh, let's just do this. All right, no, we didn't add all of it. All right, that seems like a lot of pepper, but that's okay. We're gonna do this. We need that pepper. It's gonna give us some flavor. Look at that mac and cheese right there. That.
How about the one that you were gonna throw away?
That is not getting thrown away. We're gonna use that for other things. Only half a tablespoon of pepper.
Dramatic.
Yup. Me. On the pan. Alright. Oh, I get lost. Alright. So, breadcrumbs. Now, let's grab a handful. Scatter. Shake it like your mama gave it to you. Alright?
The 90s called. They want that joke back.
Well, the 90s called. They want that attitude you got. Give it back to Clinton. Alright?
He's dead.
No, he's not.
Oh.
Your jokes are dead, though. My favorite part about you is when you shut your mouth.
That was actually a pretty...
Shut up! We don't miss food. Now we got a good layer. Let's put that in the oven. Now we're gonna leave it in the oven for about like maybe 5 minutes. We want that top, those breadcrumbs to get crunchy. Right after that's done, we're gonna come right back. See y'all in just 1 little minute. A baby minute, maybe 2 babies.
Is it long or tall?
All right, here you go. Homemade mac and cheese.